Hello, my name is Joe Richmond-Knight, Regional Sales Manager for SYSGO, and we're here this year at Embedded World showing off our technologies with PikeOS, PikeOS for MPU and Illinois. So in this case, we're demonstrating a high-DAL versus high-performance use case for aerospace and defense. And the demo here is taking in a video feed from a sensor and transferring that data over the network using RTI DDS Connect, okay? So this AI-driven camera is effectively taking the coordinate information, transferring this over the network into then the PikeOS domain. We have here a high-performance GPU, which is being driven by a Linux guest on top of PikeOS. And what it's doing in this case is actually visualizing that sensor data using the GPU. So this is a hardware-driven display system. You could also imagine a scenario where that GPU is being used for GPU kind of technologies. So taking that data feed, whether it be sensory information from a camera, from a monitoring system, and actually analyzing that data using the power of the GPU. And we say high performance and high DAL, or high performance versus high DAL, because on the other side of the system, in another partition, we have a PikeOS native application. And in this case, it could be operating on a totally separate function, or it could be providing some complementary function, which is perhaps taking a feed of information that the GPU is analyzing and doing something with that, maybe some voting system, maybe part of the safety function. This is all possible thanks to PikeOS being both a real-time operating system and a hypervisor. Okay, so what that means is we can run these high DAL, so typically up to DAL A applications, next to non-safety critical systems. So in this case, that non-safety critical system is a fully fledged Linux guest operating system, which is supporting the GPU. And if we look at the final layer of this, so the lowest layer, which is our hardware layer, we're running on top of an Intel CPU on a VPX card provided by Curtiss-Wright, and we're relying on a high power GPU provided by Wolf Advanced Technologies.